Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be pink berries and champagne shade makeup look. To begin with, I'm starting off with this Krylon cream concealer. I'm adding this as my eyeshadow base. To this makeup look, I am taking Makeup Revolution's rose gold chocolate palette. First, to begin with, I am taking this cream shade, which is a matte finish. I'm taking this and setting the base. Next, I'm taking this pink berry red shade and I'm depositing all the pigment in the outer V corner and dragging the same shade inside. And I'm depositing more and more pigment and dragging the same shade inside so that it gives a more diffused look. So I'm trying to take my time and blending it really well. Then taking this flat brush and then I'm taking this pop of pink color. It is like a neon pink color. These kind of colors are really hard to show on the lid, but this is doing a good job. I'm patting this all over my lid. Then I'm taking this little deep berry shade and focusing again on the outer corner, trying to blend both of these colors together so that it also gives a little bit darkness in the outer corner. Then taking a little bit more deeper shade so that it will look more like a berry sort of shade. Then I'm taking the same shade I took at the beginning and then blending all of the shades together. Applying the same color at the bottom of my eye. Then taking this gold sort of shade and highlighting my brow bone area. Then for this look, I'm taking this Swiss Beauty glitter and taking a sharp brush and doing an eyeliner sort of shape using this glitter. It gives a very nice minimal yet glam sort of look. I'm trying to draw a wing here. Then I'm taking this Plum kajal. I'm applying this kajal in my waterline. It gives a very nice pigment. I'm also using the same kajal for tight lining my eye. Then I'm using this Chambor mascara and I'm applying a very generous coat of it. I want a lot of mascara for this look. Then I'm taking this brown shade from BAC. This is a lip liner from them. I'm also filling in with the same color so that I will have a nice base. Then I'm taking this Swiss Beauty. I forgot the shade. I will mention it on the screen. This is a very nice pink berry sort of shade. I'm applying this lipstick. It is a very matte lipstick and dries out quickly, so we need to work very well with this. So that is the final look. I hope this was fun and thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.